Alright, question 4, with doing some antiderivatives. Oh yeah. So number 4. So antiderivative of -1 to 0 of the square root of the quantity, of 3u plus 4du. So here, whoa, you can't even see. So what we do here is we need to first think, can I mult? No. Can I divide? No. Can I just add 1 and integrate? No, because it's not a polynomial. So let's try. Do you see any special antiderivatives? You know, maybe like the integral of du over u, which is just ln of the absolute value of u. No, we don't have any special ones here. So what we're going to do is use a u sub. U substitution. Before we do that, we have to rewrite here. Actually, no, let's just go ahead and do the u sub. We have a problem here because it's already u. Now, don't use u because we already have u. Okay, so I'm going to call it something else. Use your first name. I'm going to use r for Roseville. So r equals the inside, 3u plus 4. So dr is, the derivative of this is just 3 times dr. And that's 0, right? So then we're going to plug this in. So now I have, oh sorry, this is du, not r, my bad. Because the derivative with respect to r of this is going to be this one over here, du. So we have du, we need a 3, so we need to put a 3 here next to it. And if I put a 3 here, I need to multiply by the reciprocal, which is a third. Okay? And now we're going to substitute in. So I have 1/3 times the integral from 1 to 0, the definite integral of the square root of what is 3u plus 4. That is just r, right? Times 3 du, and 3 du is what? 3 du is dr, so times dr. And now we rewrite and integrate, which is the antiderivative. So it's r to the 1/2 times the indefinite integral from -1 to 0 of 1/3 dr. And now we anti-differentiate. So remember, once you do this, you don't write the integral again. So add 1, do the reciprocal. That's going to be 3 over 2 times 2/3, going from -1 to 0. And don't forget there's a 1/3 here on the outside. What I would do immediately, once you get to this step, is multiply these. Clearly we get 2 over 9 times r to the 3 over 2, going from -1 to 0. And now we just plug them in, okay? So we get, and notice I put the 2/9 on the outside. It doesn't matter where you put it, really. And we're going to get 0 to the 3 over 2 minus -1 to the 3 over 2, okay? So now what you do, so 0 to the anything is 0, who cares? 2/9 minus, so -1 cubed is clearly, wait a minute, I made a mistake here. I messed up, man. Hold on. Because -1 cubed is -1. But the square root of -1 is imaginary. Does this have no solution? I doubt it. I messed up somewhere. So, can you find my mistake? Here, see if you can find my mistake somewhere. But this is basically how you start the problem.